This piece of work, entitled Mutual Disambiguation of Eye Gaze and Speech for Sight Translation and Reading, is a part of the CCAT workshop organized in Copenhagen Business School in Denmark. CCAT stands for Speech and Eye Tracking Enabled Computer Aided Translation. First, we go through the outline of the presentation. After motivation and introduction, we look at what is mutual disambiguation, how the integration of two modalities is done, some experiments, the evaluation and results, and finally we conclude with discussion and conclusion. Introduction. The work aims to combine the output generated by the eye tracker capturing human eye movement and the output from the ASR system in order to disambiguate each other and hence improve the performance of both the modalities. Motivation behind the work is that eye trackers suffer from various errors like variable and systematic errors. These occur because of system performance or loss in calibration due to head movements and errors in mapping fixations or saccades to the gazed words. Similarly, automatic speech recognition is probabilistic and hence it is never 100% accurate. Ambiguities come because of various factors like variation in pronunciation and accents or training of the automatic speech recognition system, etc. However, the usage of both the modalities in a single system motivates the possibility of using one as an aid to improve the performance of the other. Combining the output of the two might result in better performances. Mutual disambiguation. Consider a simple example where the user reads, "Where is the bat?" The screen has some lines of text, one sentence on each line. The red dot indicates the current eye gaze fixation, and the red box contains words surrounding gaze points. The possibly gazed words are those that are intersecting with the red box. The ASR system produces a list of hypotheses corresponding to the sentence being read aloud. An intersection of these can help us disambiguate and choose the right words. Integration of the two modalities. Having seen that mutual disambiguation is possible, we need to find ways of combining these modalities. We represent them as finite state machines. This is because both gaze and ASR have a set of probable words which may have costs associated with them. They can be looked upon as having multiple solutions or alternatives and one of them being the best one, an intuition similar to a finite state machine. It is also easy to compose two finite state machines and get the best path in their composed FSM. The ASR is constructed as a finite state machine by converting the list of its n best hypotheses into the finite state machine. For eye gaze, the nonlinear sequence of the words being gazed is converted into the bag of words. In case of gaze, we ignore the sequence of fixations. The FSM composition, weighted and unweighted ASR finite state machine, is composed with the gaze bag of words finite state machine. The technique of composition. Speech and eye gaze of the subject are given as input to the ASR system and the eye tracker respectively. The output of the ASR system is the audio hypothesis and the output of the eye tracker is a list of possibly gazed words. After combining these, we get the composed finite state machine. In the experiments, two types of tasks were performed, reading task and the translation task. In the reading task, the screen consists of some text with one sentence on each line. The subject is asked to read this text one line at a time. The eye gaze movement and the spoken words are simultaneously recorded, and the finite state machines of the two modalities are integrated. In the translation task, the user is asked to read aloud or speak aloud the translation of the source text on the screen, and the translation in the target language is recorded along with the eye movements. Thus, the gazed words are in the source language and the recognized speech is in the target language. The gazed words are hence translated into the target language using a lexicon before their composition with the ASR FSM. As a performance metric, Precision and recall before and after the integration are computed for the Gaze bag of words. Precision is the number of unique words in the Gaze bag of words that match with the unique words in the reference string. The ratio of this to the number of unique words in the Gaze bag of words is considered as precision, and the recall is the ratio of the unique words in the Gaze bag of words which match with the reference string to the number of unique words in the reference string. For ASR word accuracies are computed using a standard tool called SCLife. This computes the percentage of words correctly identified compared with the reference string. Before we go on to the result section, here is a quick overview of the weighted compositions of ASR and iGaze. There are 4 different types of compositions: unweighted gaze and unweighted ASR, unweighted gaze and weighted ASR, weighted gaze and unweighted ASR, weighted gaze and weighted ASR. Weights in gaze come from the distance of the fixation point from the surrounding words and the last fixated words. The last fixated word can tell us to some extent where the next fixated word can lie. Weights in the ASR come from the scores that are produced for each of the hypotheses by the ASR system. Results of the reading task. The chart shows the absolute percentage improvement of each type of composition over the baseline, that is original gaze output and the original ASR output. Highest improvement of up to 3% is seen in gaze, which is given by weighted gaze and weighted ASR composition. Highest improvement in ASR is given by unweighted gaze and weighted ASR composition. Gaze is seen to be disambiguated to a larger extent than ASR. This can be expected because gaze is more noisy among the two. Paired t-tests were also performed to measure the significance of these improvements, and the test showed that all the improvements for both gaze and ASR are significant in the case of all 4 types of compositions. This chart shows absolute percentage improvement in gaze F measure. It is seen to be huge. The main reason is that the gaze bag of words, which is actually in the source language, is translated to the target language, and during translation we take all possible translations of each word in the bag of words. But only one meaning for each word is going to be correct, which is obtained after its integration with the ASR hypothesis. Hence, this large improvement. This chart shows absolute percentage improvement in ASR word accuracies after integration with gaze. In all the target languages, Hindi, Spanish, Italian and Danish, only unweighted gaze and weighted ASR gives improvement over the baseline. All other types of composition degrade the word accuracies from the original. In case of Danish, all types of composition give a performance improvement. These results indicate that a translated gaze bag of words is very limited in its use to disambiguate ASR. Since it is possible that the words may not be present in the bag of words due to the poor coverage of the dictionary or the lexicon being used to translate the source language gaze bag of words to the target language gaze bag of words. So, hypothesis of ASR, in spite of being correct, may be discarded by the composed finite state machine. Paired t-tests were performed to measure the significance of the improvements that were shown, and it was seen that these improvements in the ASR word accuracies are not significant. Several factors affect the integration of ASR and iGaze. Lexicon. If the lexicon being used to translate the gaze bag of words is not very good in coverage, many source language words can be unknown to it. Such a deficient gaze bag of words can discard even correct ASR hypothesis. Next is the integration weights. More analysis should be done to see how much weight to each component should be given so that the results obtained are optimal. Next are the limitations of the ASR system. For a correct hypothesis to be present as the output of the composed FSM, it needs to be present in the n-best list of the ASR system in the first place. If not present, then it can never be produced as an output of the composed FSM. So, there is an upper bound on the maximum improvement in the ASR word accuracy that can be expected. Gaze recall. We can ideally assume that gaze recall should be 100% because the user or the subject can be assumed to be gazing at all the words he is reading. But in reality, it is not so. Gaze recall is less than 100%. This implies that some correct words may be missing from the gaze bag of words. So, correct ASR hypothesis may be ranked lower or discarded. Conclusion. To improve the accuracy of raw data obtained from eye gaze and speech recognition during reading and translation tasks, the finite state machine approach was used such that these two channels can mutually compensate each other. In the reading task, significant improvement in both eye gaze F measure and ASR word accuracies were observed, but in the sight translation task, significant improvement was found in gaze F measure but not in ASR word accuracies. Future work can go along many lines as have been discussed. The references for our work are as follows.